Daniel finds a rectangular index card and measures its diagonal to be 8 centimeters. Daniel then cuts out equal squares of side 1 centimeter at 2 opposite corners of the index card and measures the distance between the 2 closest vertices of these squares to be 4√2 centimeters, as shown below. What is the area of the index card? Let's say the width of the rectangle is equal to B. The length of the rectangle is equal to A. We are looking for the area, which we are looking for A times B. We are looking for. And if we apply the Pythagorean theorem, we know the diagonal is equal to 8. What we know here, A squared plus B squared is equal to 8 squared, which is 64. Great. And then we are just cutting the 2 corners out. And then we are measuring the closest distance from this to that is 4√2. If we kind of make another right triangle here, let's just draw this horizontal line from here and draw another vertical line from here. We are going to have another right triangle here. And what are the dimensions of the legs? And we have to figure out this leg and this leg in terms of A and B. And for the first one, since this is 1 centimeter and this is also 1 centimeter, so A has to be, this leg has to be A minus 2. And if we do the same thing for the other leg, this leg is going to be 1 centimeter off from here and 1 centimeter off from here. So it will be 2 centimeter off from the width. It's going to be B minus 2. So if we apply the Pythagorean theorem, A minus 2 squared plus B minus 2 squared is equal to 4√2 squared. 4√2 squared, 4√2 times 4√2, which is 4 times 4, 16. √2 times √2 is 2, 16 times 2 is 32. Then if we expand this parentheses, we are going to have A squared minus 4A plus 4. We are going to have B squared minus 4B plus 4 is equal to 32. If we take the plus 4 and plus 4 is plus 8, we're going to have A squared minus 4A minus 4B plus B squared is equal to, if we subtract 8 both sides, 32 minus 8 is going to be 24. And if we substitute, we know A squared plus B squared is equal to 64. Let's substitute A squared plus B squared is equal to 64. It's going to be 64 minus 4A minus 4B is equal to 24. And here we can get 4A plus 4B is equal to 64 minus 24. So 4A plus 4B is equal to 40. If we divide both sides by 4, we can get A plus B is equal to 10. And we know the sum of the length and width, which is 10. And we can, again, let's square both sides. We are looking for area. Let's square both sides, which is square the first term, A squared multiplied first and second doublet, plus 2AB plus B squared is equal to 100. And if we substitute A squared plus B squared is 64, we're going to have 2AB plus 64 is equal to 100. 2AB is equal to 100 minus 64, which is 36. And if we divide both sides by 2, A times B, which is the area of the rectangle, will be 18. So the answer option E.